is Dave with Mighty Line Minute. And today I've got my very best and most important Vice President of Sales for ShieldMark here today with us. And we're excited to have you here, Joe. Thanks for joining the show. I'm going to ask you a few questions about Mighty Line. You know a lot better than I do, been here a lot longer. Tell me, what excites you about this company and what's so special about ShieldMark and Mighty Line?
Well, Dave, it's been a pleasure to work with you and you joining the team this year. To answer your questions, a couple of things that are very unique about Mighty Line. We stand out because we're an industrial floor tape in the market, and we have a couple patents on the product. Some great qualities of Mighty Line is, the durability, the strength of it, the wide range of abilities that you can use it, and the widths, colors, signs, the many different 5S shapes that end users can have during their 5S challenges. So there's a lot of unique stuff, and we have a lot of unique customers, and we basically only go through distribution. So customers like large channel companies like the Ulions, Rangers, Fastenals of the world, but we also supply to those local mom and pop shops so they can supply those end users in their own rural communities.
You cover the earth with tape is what I see. Also with color, I've been impressed with the amount of colors. Those who've had a chance to see the color guide for Mighty Line, quite extensive in its scope. The designs, the uniqueness of the tape. What makes the tape so special that's unique to Mighty Line?
Well, we have two different patents on it. I think a third's coming on the way. But the wide range of colors, the wide range of shapes and sizes that we can do, and we really do a customization of your unique opportunities in the 5S challenging. As you know, as the safety director in your career, OSHA and 5S'ing warehouses for just the safety portion of it is very popular, and it's growing.
It's absolutely essential. And I've been impressed coming here knowing that I'm working within a safety organization, because everything that you do has an eye out for the warehouse, the industrial occupancy that needs these enhancements in their workplace. And every facility I've ever been involved in uses something similar to this to make sure that their employees are knowledgeable, they're educated, and to your point about 5S, absolutely essential.
Yes. And we're constantly innovating. Our founder, Tom Goki, invented the product in 2003, our brand, Mighty Line, in 2006. And it really gave us an innovating thinking company just from the start. He invented this product. He saw the need for demarcations in the warehouse. He saw the need that painting took too long. There was dry time. There was other vapors that come along with painting. And our Mighty Line can be applied easily, quickly, and over time, your labor costs will be down.
I've noticed just in the warehouses that I've seen over the last few years that the extensive use of floor tape is far beyond what I understood it to be 10, 20, 30 years ago. It seems that there's been a real conversion. Those who've been using paint as striping have kind of come around and seen that the flexibility needed in the warehouse is absolutely critical. And not only that, but the importance of the design of the floor tape so that it holds up to traffic and is able to be down for quite a period of time.
Correct. Yeah. And like I said, we have all these floor signs. Like here is a very favorite product of ours. We get into 5S shapes. So we have smaller die cut angles, T's is what we call them, to help with location markers, help with pallet location, machinery, equipment. So yes, we do have the demarcation of safety lines for forklift pedestrian traffic. But it gets even deeper when you want to talk about efficiency of, is your raw materials getting low? You can have a specific area like that. So 5S'ing is really a very, very powerful tool for every warehouse. And we're just one of those tools that can help with that.
One thing I've seen here is that Mighty Line is in this constant, I'll call it a continuous improvement mode, trying to look at their products, understand their coefficients of friction, their ability to meet ASTM 303, their color safety standards, their striping correlation with what the hazards are in the workplace, and even some of the tapes now that are being sought for people with disabilities, those who are visually impaired. What developments are underway in that area?
Yeah, so Dave, we had a customer of ours working with a larger end user, and they needed a floor marking tool that can help with low and vision impaired employees. As you mentioned, we got this tape, we call our Mighty Line TAC tape, and it helps with that vibration that they can feel in their canes or their hands or even their feet. We got it tested for ASTM low slip resistant, and it came back passing grade, and it's been a very unique niche opportunity of ours.
Yes. And the signs that you mentioned, I noticed that there seems to be quite a lot of attention to that. I know some retailers have had to deal with egress issues with OSHA. with compliance, making sure that employees know where exits are, where fire extinguishers are.
Yes, our floor signs actually were our highest growing product for the past 2 years, and we continually see it growing and growing. As you mentioned, the stop signs that do not block electrical panel, do not block fire extinguishers are our most popular, as you can see. But we do a lot of customization. So if there are customers out there that need a unique verbiage, we can do that. And I think that's the reason why we are seeing so much growth, is because our customers know that we have the unique opportunity to not only have our stock signs, but can do unique projects to be efficient in the warehouse.
So I noticed too that internationally our business seems to be accelerating. Does that mean that we can meet needs where there's signage that needs to be in different languages as well?
Yeah, we can do custom languages if we need to. We are growing internationally. It has been growing pretty rapidly. It's not just based on our product, it's really our brand. Mighty Line really isn't just a United States brand anymore. Mighty Line is growing internationally. It's been quite awesome to see.
I've been excited to see some of the things that come from users of products, particularly internationally. We get some great testimonials done on video. What are they saying in those testimonials?
Yeah, so we do have a customer that did a little video. I'm sure we can share it. They're basically saying how easy it's applied, how great it looks, and the differentiation of colors and shapes they can use for their warehouse, for their employees, and just their whole workflow. So everything just ties in together for their 5S project.
Cool.
And they use Mighty Line.
So I suspect we're operating in a number of different countries from what I'm seeing
Correct.
around the world.
Yes.
Awesome. So what is in development, or what's something that you're able to talk about that's new and exciting beyond what we've gotten to today? Is there anything we can look forward to from a technology standpoint?
Yes. A couple of years ago, we developed a Mighty Line applicator. It's very unique to our rolls of tape, where it's able to apply pressure to the tape and take off that backing as it's being laid down. Now, since we've been going to so many shows, Modex and ProMat in particular, there is a lot of movement to robotics. We want to make sure that we can be innovative as a company moving forward with the innovation of other companies. So we're developing a Mighty Liner robot, almost like a Roomba in a sense. We have displayed prototypes at the latest Modex show and at the latest ASSP show. Modex is in Atlanta and ASSP was in Denver. And we had a prototype. It's called our Mighty Bot right now. Goal of it is to be able to apply tape in a straight line with a beacon, and the labor force can start working on other lines and prep work while that tape is being laid out.
Awesome. It sounds to me like it's a Roomba on steroids. Is
Correct.
that a good analogy there?
Yes.
Well, that's exciting. I know there's some work to do on that. It's a development that's currently underway, and anyone who's had the opportunity to see any of the videos or be at the shows has certainly been excited by that. Joe, anything else that you'd like to add today to our Mighty Line Minute? We like to talk about our own products. We often talk about what other people are doing. We're excited about our customers, but I'll let you have the last word here.
Yeah, so we're very excited with our future. We have a great team here. Not only do we have a great product, it's a premium product in the floor marking game, but we have a great customer service team here. So you can call us, get us on the phone. We will talk to you. We will help you out with samples. We will help you out with any floor prepping questions that you might have. Just to name a few, like Alec Whitby, our CEO, Shannon Stamper, Keep Correct. They do a great job here in the office. And if you ever need to talk to someone, please give us a call or shoot us an email. We're happy to help you.
They're doing an awesome job, because from what I'm seeing from customers' reactions and their excitement about working here at ShieldMark and Mighty Line, it's second to none. So thank you, Joe, for taking time with us today on the Mighty Line Minute. And for those out there who need to learn more, Joe, where can they go?
We're at mightylinetape.com. And you also can call us at 440-895-9980 or info@mightylinetape.com. And we'll be happy to help you out. Happy to get you in touch with some of our distributor lists. Anything you need, we'll take care of you.
Great. Joe, hey, thank you again today. It's nice to be working here next to you as well. And for those out there, take a look at the website and stay in touch here at Shield Mighty Line.